say goodbye to Fermelda Heidi. Let me hear you say whoa! Woo! Give a big cheer for Fermelda, everybody! Woo! So maybe all, but I'd still give it to her.
You just came with a clap.
Now, that's the last you'll ever see of Fermelda Heidi, unless you just want to hear one more tune.
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 I think that means you get another tune. Roll, let's go.
Oh my god, loving it.
Delicious.
I feel right at home.
I do.
I still feel your touch in my dream. Oh, give me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, your arms are my castle, your heart is my sky. They wipe away tears that I cry. The good you make me rise when I'm 'cause every time you touch, I get this feeling. Every time we kiss, I swear I'll cry. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this love. I need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static. And every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heart beat so? I can't let you go. I want you in my life.
Ecco.